How to copy links from Shein application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily copy the links from your Shein app. So first thing, make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed Shein application from your Play Store. And once you're inside here, just click on this any of the item of which you want to share the link with. So let's say I want to share the link of this product. So what I will do is simply click on this share button at the top. You can see top right corner, just in the middle section, simply click on this share button. So to copy the link, what you can do is simply click on this copy link button over here, and just like that you have successfully copied the link of that particular product on your keyboard. So you can basically paste that keyboard or link on any social media platform or to any your friends, just like that. Or the another way to share that link is, what you can also do is simply click on the share button once again and just click on more, and from over here you can just directly send that or share that link using different types of social media applications. So that's it for today guys. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.